This collection means a lot to me because it's a symbol of Raye reviving herself, embarking on a new journey, exploring new things, and bringing all of you along with me. And I'm so excited to share it with you all. You guys have supported me for so long, and Raye is back. I chose to create my half up, half down signature hairstyle that you all know that I have been wearing forever, and now you're going to be wearing it too. And I created a beautiful kinky curly ponytail because I just love drama. I love big hair. I'm a Leo. I'm a lion. We love to walk into any room and you know, the hair needs to speak for itself. So I really wanted to create this for all of you, especially the moms out there like me who don't have time to spend on their hair and you just want to pop something on real quick and look like you spent hours on it. This is literally going to help you. The curls stay in place. It's so easy to apply, whether you are really good at doing your hair or whether you are a beginner and you have absolutely no clue. Everyone is going to be walking around in their Rays and in their Zoes looking fire. I'm wearing right now Raye, obviously, because this is one of my favorite hairstyles. My half up, half down, which comes with a ponytail, and I love it because at the base you get to wrap it around and hide your hair. You hide your elastic or whatever have you. And the cool thing is, it's only 3 clip-in pieces, but the amount of hair that is on each piece and how sturdy the clip-ins are, this is gonna last you forever. It's affordable, which you all know that is where I have come from in my whole journey on this social media stuff. And I wanted to just create something that always holds its curl. This is how it looks, whether I brush it out, zhuzh it out, it literally stays in place all day. Whether you're in humidity, you'd probably go swimming with this if you wanted to, and it's always going to look like this. You can cut it, style it. It's super long, and this has to be my fave out of both of them. But I do love both of them obviously because I created them. The next one is more of like a kinky curly texture and it's a ponytail. Everyone loves a good ponytail that they can pop on. You can wear it high, you can wear it low. If you want to get 2 and wear pigtails, do the damn thing. And it's literally just so easy to style. You can brush it out. The curls will go back after you brush it. You can cut it. You can wear it as a long pony. You can wear it as a short afro pony. You can, the styles are literally endless, and that is what I had in mind when I created both of these pieces. These pieces are literally for everyone, no matter what walks of life you come from, what your style is, whether you like the drama or you want to tone it down, you could. I cannot wait to see all of you wear it. I'm so excited to see how you style it because like I said, the limits are endless. It's so fat. Like, look at this. Look at how beautiful these curls are. This is exactly what I wanted and more. I'm so happy I got to collab with Insert Name here because they exceeded my expectations. I was so nervous. I'm always nervous with everything that I do, but this is gonna be it. Y'all are gonna be looking mwah. Look at how the curls look up close. Look at this, y'all. The luster, but it's not too much where it matches our texture. That is what my goal was, and I just wanted it to be super dramatic. But if you want to cut it, style it, shape it, you wanted to just cut it right here and wear it as a short half up, half down, you literally can do whatever. But if you want to have some inches, you could too. I'm in love with it. I also think a good curly hair tip that I would give for both of the styles, I think for the half up, half down, it would be great, especially if your hair is longer, to do a 3-strand twist out the night before or a braid out, so that if you don't want to pin all of your hair up in the back, you could just clip these on and it's literally going to blend right in. I do that all the time. And then if you want to wear the ponytail, you could slick your hair down the night before, do your baby hairs, put some gel on it, some edge control, and wake up in the morning, take that scarf off, and just pop on the curly ponytail. Or you could do a braid out in the front so that it's nice and wavy, you know, matches the ponytail, all that good stuff.